That's all. Welcome to my YouTube channel Samila Khan 92. Today my video is about the expansion joint of the building. This is the expansion joint of the building. Maybe most of you know about this one, but someone maybe don't know about this joint. This joint is given, which divides the building into two different parts, and this expansion joint is given because of the earthquakes. If there is earthquake like this, so it will save your building from the earthquake. You can say it's divide the weight of the precast like this, divide in different parts of the building. And you see this is the pipe of firefighting. You can see these joints, different joints, coupling joints coming in this one. But here on expansion joint, you can see they make one flexible joint here, because this is coming on the expansion joint point of the building. So need flexibility here to save the other part of the building. And also you can see here, this is the small pipe, this is the 6-inch pipe, that one is 4. This is also the flexible joint. And there is one more example with me here. You can see here, this is the PPR pipe. PPR pipe is used for the potable water. You can see they possible to make it straight. It should be go straight from this point, but they make it in different position, you see, because the expansion joint of the building is coming here. So this is the if you have any service passing this area expansion joint, you must make it flexible between the building. So this is the this joint is given for the safety of the building in the earthquakes, during the earthquakes. So today topic is about our expansion joint of the building, and our services, mechanical services or electrical services even, and they will give the expansion joint. That's why they leave still pending this work. So this is our topic today. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe my channel. I will also show you this joint from the outside of the building. You can see this is the expansion joint which divide the building. So this is our expansion joint. You can also see in this picture, in this video.